Hello and welcome to another ROFFS weekly update of the ocean conditions using satellite sea surface temperature and chlorophyll imagery from the weekend of April 8th through 9th, 2023. Overall, the Gulf Stream has been observed at 80 degrees extending through the Florida Straits and then cools to approximately 79 degrees as it extends north to North Carolina. Following the flow of the Gulf Stream, we've observed eddies circulating favorable blue water inshore. Starting along the Keys here, we can see a nice eddy circulating some Gulf Stream associated water inshore through the Upper Keys. Looking through South Florida, we can see some smaller rotations in the area as well. To the north, we can see an eddy here off of the Stewart area, as well as the Canaveral area. To the north, we can see again some nicer water pushing inshore here off of the Jacksonville area. A relatively small eddy here off of Savannah. Decently sized eddy here off of Charleston, the Charleston Gyre. Up here off of Georgetown, and a relatively large eddy here off of Cape Lookout. Briefly looking over at the Bahamas, we can see some Gulf Stream associated water extending southeast off of Walker's here, and then some nice cleaner water extending here along the eastern side of the Gulf Stream. Again, looking off of Abaco, we can see some good Bahamas blue water circulating south, as well as some warmer, cleaner water here circulating into northern Eleuthera. Looking at the associated chlorophyll data, zoom out here a little bit. Again, relatively nice edges here off the Keys. We can see some smaller circulations here off of the Keys as well. Here is this eddy off of the Stewart area, as well as the Canaveral area. Some cooler, cleaner water has also been observed inshore, extending south from the Savannah area to the Cape Canaveral area. This relatively large eddy circulating some nice Gulf Stream associated water inshore from Daytona to approximately Savannah. And then we can see the relatively large eddy here off of Georgetown, and clouds further to the north, but again, a relatively large eddy contributing to this nicer, cleaner water inshore. Looking briefly at the Bahamas again, we can see this nice, cleaner water circulating through here, as well as extending south off of Abaco and inshore off of Luther here. With that, as always, for the most recent analysis, please give us a call at 321-723-5759. You can order online at roffs.com. You can reach us via email at fishing@roffs.com. With that, thank you very much. Tight lines.